All right, let's talk about microphone positioning. Imagine that I'm wearing an aviation headset and this microphone is my microphone. What you want to be sure is the distance from the mouth, meaning you want to have it just slightly close to your mouth, but not definitely in your mouth, because then you'll get like this horrible thing. You don't want to by your nose. Otherwise, you'll get that. So what I like to do is just have it like right below my mouth or just slightly off to the side. Now, this obviously isn't an aviation headset, but you get the idea. Uh, in order to be able to speak clearly, sometimes I've try and talk and it doesn't work well. So you have to enunciate each word clearly and speak at a normal, steady pace. Avoid speaking too quickly, as this can make your messages difficult to understand. Use a normal speaking volume. Speaking too loudly can cause distortion, while speaking too softly might make your transmissions hard to hear. Maintain a calm and even tone, even in stressful situations. It's important to stay composed to ensure that your message is completely understood. Now, let's talk about the push to talk button. I'm going to imagine that this is a push to talk. Before speaking, always press the push to talk button and wait a brief moment. We're not even 1 second, but press, wait, now talk. Press, wait, now talk. This ensures that your first words are not completely cut off. Hold the button down throughout the duration of your transmission. Releasing it too early can result in an incomplete message. Release the push to talk button as soon as you're finished speaking. Holding on to it too long or speaking can block the frequency and prevent others from communicating. Now we're back to normal. Think before you speak. Know what you're going to say before you start speaking. This helps to avoid unnecessary pauses or filler words like and, which can clutter communications channel. Use standard phraseology. Stick to standard aviation phrases and terminology to ensure your message is clear and understood by everyone. Also, keep your transmissions short and to the point, including only the necessary information. If you can, minimize background noise, if possible, by reducing background noise in the cockpit, such as by closing the windows or reducing airflow from the vents. You'll have a much cleaner transmission. Use noise-canceling headsets like the Bose A10s or A20s or A30s or the Zulu Lightspeed 3s or Deltas or whatever they're on now to help filter out the background noise and to make your voice clearer. Adjust the microphone sensitivity settings if your aircraft's radio system allows it, ensuring it picks up your voice clearly without excessive background noise. Always monitor before transmitting. Listen to the frequency a moment before you start your transmission to ensure that you're not interrupting other communication. Also, prioritize communications. If multiple pilots or ATC are trying to communicate, wait your turn unless a message is urgent. Let's say you're approaching an airport and need to contact the tower. Position the microphone about 1 to 2 inches from your mouth and slightly to the side. Listen to the frequency for a moment. If it's clear, then press the push to talk button, wait just a moment, and then start speaking. For example, Jackson Tower, Cessna 172, Alpha Bravo Charlie, 10 miles east inbound for landing with information Charlie. Speak clearly and at a normal pace, ensuring each word is distinct. Release the push to talk button as soon as you've finished your message. Listen for a response and be ready to respond clearly when ATC acknowledges your call. There are some common mistakes to avoid. First one, let's talk about clipping. This occurs when you release the push to talk button too soon or press it after starting to speak, causing parts of your message to be cut off. Speaking too loudly or holding the microphone too close can cause your transmissions to be distorted, making it super awkward. Let's talk about dead air. Holding the push to talk button down after you're done speaking, or I've done it before, where you have the foot pedal push to talk button and your instructor presses it accidentally and you're now transmitting everything that you're saying, is quite embarrassing. It's also especially problematic in busy airspace. If you have any questions about how you come across, you can always contact ATC or ground and ask for a radio check. Be sure to like and subscribe this video. If you want to learn more about helicopters, I have a free course on getting started with helicopters. I also have a course on how to pay for flight school, and I also have a course on getting your private helicopter license. I'd love to help you out. Links are all down in the description below.